Hey guys, today I'm going to do a vlog day and I'm just going out to do some shopping, and we have planned to go to Somerset and the Orchard Road. It's just afternoon weekend on Sunday and it's so crowded. It's a nice raining day here, and you can see that guy is selling ice cream. The specialty of this ice cream is that he serves the ice cream with the bread. It is very common in Singapore. You see the bread slice. So he will put the ice cream scoop on top of the bread slice and serve you. It's a nice raining day and I am heading to the Takashimaya Mall, to the MAC store. I'm going to buy some MAC cosmetics today, especially the MAC eyeshadows. I have made a list of the eyeshadows that I want and add to my collection. And just now I came out of the H&M and I picked up 4 stuff from H&M. There was a huge sale going on. When I came here I didn't know that it's a sale time, but after coming here I found some sale items, so that was really exciting. Yeah, we reached Takashimaya. It's so close. It's raining so badly today, and this time we took the right way and we reached from H&M to Takashimaya in 2 minutes, and last time we walked almost 2 kilometers to search for it at night. This is the cake market because we have Chinese New Year next weekend, so you can see they are selling cakes. And this complete market is on the basement of Takashimaya Mall. This is the MAC Pro store in Takashimaya, and this is the biggest MAC store here. You get everything over here. So I'm gonna go in there now. I'm just out of the MAC store. That's the MAC store, and I finally finished I completed my MAC Pro palette today. I picked up 4 eyeshadows and I'm super excited. I actually like more than 4. I had already made a list of eyeshadows that I wanted to pick. Out of that, 2 were out of stock, but I liked other 2. So finally I got 4 more eyeshadows to my MAC collection, and my 15 eyeshadow palette is complete today. So I'm going to go and put all these in the store, and now I'm going to go and check Sephora for some pigments. If you see my eyes, this is the glitter from Chanel. I just checked it and I just loved it so much, but I wanted to check MAC pigments before I pick up the Chanel glitters, and finally have decided that I will be buying this Chanel glitters because they are much better than the MAC pigments. So I'm going to go and pick this glitter, and that's it for now. Urban Decay Naked Palette 2 is finally in the Singapore, and I'm gonna go and check it now. You can see the collection of Naked Palette. I am thrilled to see so much new collection has come here in Sephora. So it's full stock of Naked 1, Naked 2 and Naked 3 palette available right now in Sephora, Singapore. This is the Sephora in Takashimaya Mall, and it is actually a bigger one. You have the same size bigger Sephora in Ion Orchard as well. And I just came out of it and I bought Urban Decay Vice palette. I was so crazy. I saw this palette first time here in Sephora today, and the colors were so pretty, so I picked up the Sephora Urban Decay Vice palette, which was $88 here, and the colors are so nice for the Indian skin tone, as well as they are very colorful. And I also bought few eyeshadows from MAC today, as well as I did some shopping from H&M. We have Chinese New Year next weekend, and 80% of the population in Singapore is Chinese. So we have this huge decoration and all this stuff that you require for the New Year celebration. Chinese New Year celebration is here. These are all hanging decorations, as well as the decoration that you put it on the doors of the house. We have dolphins, dragons, Hello Kitties, and lot many other stuff which I don't even know the names of. So this is completely the decoration, and there are some beautiful cases as well. You can buy these to store the letters, tissue papers, and the jewelry boxes. So this is all looking really very beautiful. Here it says Chinese New Year festive celebration, Takashimaya Square. And you also have some e-tables here. So you have a huge area of e-tables. These are the Japanese handmade jelly cakes, and they are pricey as well. Just a small candy like jelly cake is for $1. But they are looking so pretty. I'm at the Iron Food Court again. If you have watched my previous video, you know that I keep coming to this place because I get the food from Indian Express. So this is my non-vegetarian chicken meal. So in this I have 2 chicken dishes. Actually it's 1 chicken dish, 1 vegetarian dish. Then I have 1 curd, dal, naan, and same thing for the guy. Hey guys, so I am just done shopping at Charles & Keith. I have picked 2 purses, and I just finished my dinner as well. So I have picked up 2 Charles & Keith bags, and they are like beige and black color. So probably I will show them in my haul video. I couldn't go and pick up the glitter till now because the Chanel store is in another mall, and I'm very tired to walk. So I think I'm done for the day, and I'm just going to go back to Sephora here and check for some perfume. And if I find it, it's good. If I don't, I go home. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlogging video. I know it was very noisy. It has been raining all day, and it was very crowded because of Chinese New Year. But overall, it was a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.